Results Reflections reminds us that progress ay hindi lang tungkol sa better tools or buildings. It's also about freeing the spirit and nurturing ambition.
Hello listeners! Welcome to episode 5 of Here's the Chat, where we uncover the truth behind the past, of course minus the boring stuff. And today we're going to talk about roots of decay, results, reflections on nationhood. So we have here Mavi and April joining me today. So to begin with, Rizal observed na yung mga kabataan noon, pinalaki lang to obey, hindi to innovate. So yung school, focus sila sa role learning, which killed creativity. And what can you say about this? Ikaw muna, Mavi. I wanna hear your thoughts.
Yes, that's right. This creates what Rizal calls an inferiority complex. So imagine, a society na parang bawal mangarap ng mataas kasi prone apa ng ambition. Bata pa lang iniisip na nila na hindi nila kayang mag-achieve, so they stop trying.
It's so relatable. You hear phrases like, kontento na ako dito, all the time. Pero, bakit mag-settle kung ang daming pwedeng ma-achieve?
Exactly. It's not natural laziness. It's a taught behavior. Sabi ni Rizal, oppressive systems tulad nga ng rigid schooling o takot sa failure. Ang dahilan kaya nagiging stagnant ang mga tao.
And also, Rizal noticed na tong stagnation na to, umabot na sa isang cultural rut, yung mga tao clinging na dun sa routines or yung tinatawag niyang cultural prison. So instead of questioning traditions or aiming higher, sumasabay na lang sila sa agos.
Ang malala pa is, society discourages ambition. Pag may gustong magsikap o mangarap ng mataas, hinahatak nila pababa. So either out of envy or takot sa pagbabago.
Parang crab mentality na hanggang ngayon ang lakas pa rin. Sabi ni Rizal, without examples of success or freedom to dream big, nauulit lang yung cycle. Pero ito yung malaking contradiction. Deep down, mahilig ang mga tao sa beauty, innovation, and progress. Pero parang trap sila. Hindi nila alam kung paano makawala.
Rizal also pointed out actually na yung colonial influence ang isa sa mga dahilan ng pagkawala ng national pride. So yung mga people, they started valuing foreign goods and ideas over to their own culture. So parang pinalit mo yung meaningful sa isang shiny illusion.
For real, sabi ni Rizal na parang superficial progress lang yun. Hindi talaga nito inaangat ang buhay ng mga tao. Naging obsession lang sa luxury. So, meanwhile, nananatili silang oppressive at isolated.
What's sad is, ginagamit ang education para i-reinforce ang mindset na to. Imbes na bigyan ng empowerment ang mga Pilipino, tinuturo pa sa kanila na tanggapin na lang ang sitwasyon nila.
And so, ano yung solusyon? Rizal called for a revolutionary spirit. He believed na yung real progress comes from breaking free of old, oppressive ways and embracing for new ideas.
Pero hindi lang ito tungkol sa rebellion. Rizal emphasized na kailangan ng totoong edukasyon or a learning that foster critical thinking and independence. Plus, take note, this is a plus, yung strong sense of national pride. Gusto niyang matutunan ng mga Pilipino na i-value ang sariling kultura nila at magkaisa para sa meaningful change. So, parang sinasabi niya rito na maniwala ka sa kaya mong likhain, hindi lang sa kaya mong bilhin.
Results Reflections reminds us that progress ay hindi lang tungkol sa better tools or buildings. It's also about freeing the spirit and nurturing ambition. At nagsisimula yun sa atin, kahit sa education, culture, o daily choices natin. Kaya nating basagin ang cycle ng mediocrity at mag-aim higher.
Absolutely. Salamat for speaking your thoughts with me, Mavi and April, and thank you for joining us here on Here's the Chat. And that would be all for today's episode. I hope you enjoy listening to this podcast. And again, this is your host, Jade. Hanggang sa muli mga ka-Here's the Chat. Paalam!